இன்றைக்கி வீடியோவில் நம்ம ஆஸ்திரேலியாவில் இருக்கிற மெல்போர்னில் வெரேபி ஜூ பார்க்க போகிறோம். இது வரைக்கும் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுறேன்னா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிவிடுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். இப்போ நம்ம வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம் வாங்க.
Amani, Harold, AJ, and I forgot the sixth one. Oh my lord, Amani. Did I say that? They are the top living land animals, reaching heights of around 4.5 meters. Of course, the easiest way to tell them apart is by their spot patterns. No two have the same pattern spots. On the front of the bus is Jelani. He's our lightest coloured giraffe. Next to him is AJ, or Ajali. He's our shortest giraffe. We've then got Harold with lots of well-defined little spots. Connor, our darkest giraffe. And right at the back there, biggest of the boys is Amani, weighing 1.4 tons. Passing a very tall grey shed, and it's not where to keep a store their gigantic tools, but it is the bedroom of our giraffe boys. Who we are, no matter what we do, we can all play a part in our day-to-day lives. And I think it's a wonderful quote and a great way to finish off this tour. So once again, guys, my name is Ali. Thank you for coming on.
Topsy-turvy, wake up early, could be anywhere. Badly, truly, could have fooled me. Ooh, Cupid, shoot me there. And when the world is burning all around me, I'm the one who's dancing in the flames. We have
Swords used for centuries in a lot of Arabic countries. And look, those ones there, very, very sharp, very pointy, very sword-like, aren't they? These animals were actually classed extinct in the wild. That was back in the year 2000, so 19 years ago now. But we are all about probably the colour, probably a light brown colour, maybe the colour of the neck of the adults, so they can camouflage in the grasses. So keep your eye out for the little bubs. But I also want you to have a look to your right hand side here as well. We have got two paddocks of beautiful not so much of a baby anymore. She's 16 years old. She weighs about 900 We do. Male ostrich tend to have light brown, ashy grey coloured feathers, where males have beautiful black glossy feathers. We're coming up on our right hand side here. In the shade of the trees, you will find a very shy animal. These guys are called Nyala, and they are an antelope species native to South Africa. We have got a mixture of Nyalas in here. We've got males. We've got one male. Well, one older male. We've got some females and we've got some young ones as well. But they're also one of the quickest species of antelope, and they can reach speeds of around about 80 kilometers an hour. They do get their nickname blackback from the colour of their fur. So when the boys become mature and dominant males, they develop two beautiful horns. Considering their eyeball is bigger than their entire brain. But these zebras here are plain zebras, one of the three different kinds of zebras. There's the mountain zebra, the Grevy's zebra, and the plain zebra. We did actually find the zebra, the one who came quite close to her baby there. She was quite overdue for giving birth to her little cub. And she actually did give birth over Friday night and Saturday morning when there was a storm. African animals do wait until storms to give birth for a couple of different reasons. The first one is so the rain can clear out all the smell so that doesn't attract any predators. But also the noise as well for that rain and the thunderstorms they're in can help protect the mum when she's feeling extra vulnerable. We do have three more zebras on our right hand side, but on our left here we've got our eland antelope. We do have a baby eland here as well. We'll have a look at him. He's a little bit bigger. He's about 4 months old now.